In this video, you will learn how to use the Bulk Create app inside of CanvaEDU to create multiple certificates with different names and award types so that you don't have to type these out one by one or write them in on the certificate one by one. First thing you'll need is a template of that certificate. So you might have already gotten your certificates from your principal or your secretary, and you can scan that and send it to yourself using the Xerox machines in the office. So if you don't know how to send yourself a scanned file, a PDF file, talk to your secretary. He or she can show you how to do that. Once you scan it, it will go to your email, and then you can go ahead and download it, save it somewhere, desktop, downloads, wherever you want to save it, go ahead and save it. Because once you save it, you will click on uploads inside of Canva, and you're going to go and find it. So upload files, and again, desktop, if it went straight to downloads, whatever it is, you're going to go ahead and do so and bring it up from there. And once you bring it up from there, you're going to use it to create a new project. So I've already done this. I have this template here, and inside of this template you have, the district name, who the certificate is going to, the line for the name, the line for the award type, the date, and then the signature lines. This might be a little different from yours, but it's pretty much the same thing. I need to fill in this line here for names and this line here for awards. So I'm going to go to text, and I'm going to add a subheading. And I'm going to do the same thing, copy this guy, and I'm going to go ahead and add another one. I can add another subheading here for the award type. So this would be my student name, and this would be my award type. And so you can play with the font here. If you wanted to change the font, you can definitely do so. I like Caslon 3 for the award type, and I can definitely increase the font size so that it's clearly visible. And then over here for the name, I could use some kind of script or handwriting. And I like something called Alex Brush. It's kind of a handwriting type name. And again, I can increase that. It's up to you. If you want to make that larger, just make it fit right above the line. Not too floating, but just right. So now I have these two. I'm going to go ahead and use these two cells to import names and award types. Okay, you can generate a signature if you wanted to generate some kind of signature for the principal or teacher, or you can just print these out the way they are, and then fill in, handwrite the names, your signatures for principal and teacher. Now, I need to go ahead and give it the data to bulk create the award type and the student name. So I need that bulk create app. I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to search for bulk create, and I'm going to use the very first one. This is the one I want to use, bulk create. And because I already have a spreadsheet with names and I've already added the award types, I got this from Teams. I went ahead and, I have this name spreadsheet, and then I had, this was the student ID. I just changed it to award types and wrote the different award types that each student was going to get. I have 37 students in here. You may not have that many. So I have first and last name and my award type. So I'm going to enter this data manually. I could upload the spreadsheet and use it that way. And one of the new features in Canva is they've actually created sheets. If I upload that spreadsheet into Canva, it would turn it into a Sheets, which is like an Excel file, and I could bring it in from there. But for right now, just to make it easy, I'm going to enter the data manually, and this is where I'm going to do the names. But over here, instead of emails, I'm going to type award type, so I know what it is. Now I'll open up my spreadsheet, and I'm going to grab all my names, copy that, Command C, go back in here, click on the first cell, and paste. And so all the names are now in there. Then I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet And I've done all the work. I have the award type right here. And I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to place it right in this field as well. So every student's going to have an award type and first and last name. And I'm going to click done. And so now I have my data, my name data and my award type data. So I have to connect the data to this certificate. So I'm going to say student name. I want the student name to go here. I'm going to click on connect data. If you don't see it here, then you can click on the 3 dots right above student name, and then you'll find it down here as well. So hopefully you see it up here. It's just a lot easier. And I need to tell it what data I want it to connect. Well, I want the names there. So I'm going to select name, and then I'm going to click on award type, do the same thing, connect the data, and I'm going to select award type. Okay, so I have those 2 data points. Now before I go and bulk create this, because I'm going to be using those certificates, I just want to print out what is missing. I'm going to go ahead and delete the templates that I have. And I did lock it so they wouldn't move, but now I can delete it. I can delete this too. And I probably want to delete the line, if it allows me to delete the line, because the line is already on the certificate, and I may not need this information right here, because again, that's already part of the certificate. So delete what's already part of the certificate. Well, yeah, what's already part of the certificate, and just keep what you need printed. All right, so here we go. And so that's the way it's going to bulk create. And inside of that, I'm going to go ahead and delete that right there. I'm going to go ahead and continue. I'm going to go ahead and click continue now. And it's going to ask me, well, who do you want to create these certificates for? Well, it's going to be for everybody, my entire class. And it's going to have both the name and the actual award type. Okay, so again, it's filling in these 2 boxes right here. If the date field is something you need to fill in, you go ahead and keep that. And I'm going to click generate 37 designs, because that's how many students I have. And so this takes a little bit, so you want to be patient, and you definitely don't want to do it the few minutes before. So it's created. I'm going to view it in my folder. And so there's my bulk 1 award certificates. And so when I go in here, if the text, so this is a problem that may happen with you, the text is too big, then I can stretch this out. And there we go. Okay, so I need to look at all of these. If the name is too small, again, I can make it a little bigger. But you should have already played with this. This is more likely going to be the issue. Is going to be your award type. So it's an easy fix. And you'll notice I'm keeping it within the square of the certificate right there. And if it's still too big, then I can make it smaller and do that for all of these. And so this is ready to go. You fix it, you adjust it, and you do this for all of these. But it's already printed the names for all these different names for each certificate, plus you have the award. Okay. Okay, once I'm done fixing what I need to fix, all I need to do is share, download, and I want to download this a PDF print because I'm going to print these, and I'm going to go ahead and click download all 37 of them. It should ask me where I want to download them. It might go directly to your downloads, which is fine, but not only do I want to download them in a specific location, say my desktop, but I also want to give it a specific name. So maybe this is Morales 3C certificates. And so I can save this. And all I have to do now is go to my desktop. I know my certificates are there. There they are. I open this up. And I want to go ahead and I probably want to do a test print of this. So I'll put in a blank sheet of paper in the printer. I probably write front on one side, back on the other to know which way I need to stick the certificate in, right? I can write front or back. And then when I go to print, I'm just going to print one as a test sample. So let's say I want to do page 1 only. Then I can choose page 1. And then however it comes out, I'm going to know which one is the front or the back. And that way I know how to stick my certificates into the printer, facing down, facing up, so that I can get the exact same certificate with the different names, obviously, and the different award. If you have any questions about how to bulk create, please make sure you contact your instructional technology specialist.